Good morning, everyone. We just did a bunch of returns to Amazon at Whole Foods, and we just got there in time. Now there's a huge long line, and it only took me like 5 minutes. Wow, huge forehead today. It's fine. It is quote-unquote brick outside, but we are right next to another holiday market, so I'm thinking that we go check it out on the way home because I have to finish some errands before my trip today. So I guess we'll just do a quick little walkthrough so I can show you guys what that looks like. And then we are going to go grab my laundry and do some work, and then it'll probably be time to head out. I still need to pack, and technically I have to be at my friend's in like 6 hours. I feel like we can do it because we're not going to be packing too much, but we will see. Let's go check out this market. Sorry?
I love that camera.
Oh! I just got back from the market and I ended up getting 2 ornaments from this stall that is handmade Nepal felt ornaments, and they're actually so cute. And I got one for my Secret Santa that I have back at home, and I don't know if I want to show you guys because what if they are watching? I doubt they're watching. My sister watches, and that she's one of the people I got the ornaments for, so I won't show you hers. Hers is super cute. I'll show it to you maybe on Christmas. But this is who I got my Secret Santa. So cute. She loves mermaids, so I thought I would just get her a cute little handmade felt ornament. Oh my gosh, guys, it's for real brick outside. I don't know why I said it like that. Oh, you saw the other one. Oops. I can now check off 2 of my things from my to-do list for today. So Amazon returns and pick up laundry. Alright, now I just need to shower, pack, do some more work. I want to edit 2 YouTube videos. I want to edit my Vlogmas for TikTok. I need to clean my room. I also need to pack for St. Louis because when I get back from this weekend trip, I basically will have less than 24 hours before I leave. So I should probably try to pack a lot for that. I think I deserve a nice, delicious hot chocolate. I meant to say coffee, but I guess hot chocolate would be nice too. I think I deserve a nice, delicious hot coffee. So I'm gonna go make that for myself after my shower. I really like experimenting with coffees lately, but I do think I've been drinking the same coffee for the past like week or so. Wait, the cinnamon on top looks so cute. You can't even see. Look at that cinnamon. But this coffee has been so good that I've just kind of been sticking with this one. It's basically like a brown sugar latte. So I put a little bit of brown sugar in the espresso, and then I do oat milk with a little bit of oat milk brown sugar creamer, and then I put cinnamon on the top of the cold foam. Okay, cool. All right, I have lots to do. I need to pack, I need to finish some work, I need to do some editing. So let's get started before I have to leave for tonight. Just finished packing and about to head out. I'm meeting everyone at my friend's apartment around 6-ish, so we can head out and make it to the Airbnb before it's too late. So I will see you guys maybe in the car. Whoa, we're in the car! Merry Christmas! Okay, so we are about to head out to, where are we going?
What?
Saugerties.
Sugartown.
Sugartown.
We're going to Sugartown.
We're going to Sugartown, and we're gonna have a great time. Justin's driving us. Woo! Yay, Justin!
So we're breaking free.
We made it! Wait, I'm gonna do a quick tour of the place. This is where we will sit. This is where we will eat. Kitchen. Hi, Fanny, decorating the tree. Justin brought his camera. Jay made some food. So we're gonna have some curry. It's so exciting. Point to blind test, green and red. Are you ready? Wait.
Close your eyes.
Okay. Oh.
You got this.
Okay. I think that was green. You're right. Okay, one more. Open up.
I think initially for Jay's birthday, but we never ended.
Was that also green?
Oh my god! Wait, I can't taste the difference between the two.
Really? This one's a little bit more like tarty.
Wait, I need to save the green ones for the. Wow!
I can tell the colors.
Elegant.
I've never tried that either. Can I try? It's like burrita. Burrita?
I don't know why I did that.
You're so silly.
So stupid.
Oh, what is that?
It's like water. You don't like it?
I'm just not a beer person.
No!
The almond sister's back. Huh?
The almond sister's back.
Oh! Wait, what else did we do? Did we see?
This is what we did.
Oh, that's
Where's it?
I did this. I was gonna get closer to you.
When did I do this?
I forgot.
Wow.
She started calling.